Guys, all right, so I just filmed another video, like a, you know, what's in my makeup bag, my everyday or my favorite go-to makeup look. But my plant friends and my plant lovers, I am freaking out over here because when I just started to film this other video, I put on the light, my ring light, to get more light. That's why I look kind of glowy and like, you know, celebrity like. When I put on the light, I was like, what is this on the plant? I was looking at my plants because I was moving my plant from the light so it won't be too much by the light and get burnt. But when I was looking up close at my plant, this is my Monstera plant, I saw these white little things on. I was like, maybe that's dust. Sister looked up close and I saw something moving. And I was like, what the hell is that? So I looked it up and I think it's mealy bugs or spider mites. It's a common pest or whatever you call it. Look, y'all, I'm freaking out over here. I love plants, but I don't want to deal with all that. I don't want to deal with all that mess, all that mealy bugs, spider mites, craft bugs, whatever you call it. I don't want to deal with it. So y'all need to help me because I'm freaking out. I'm ready to throw this plant out. Or if my fiance don't get up and take this plant outside and spray it down with water, I don't know what to do, y'all. I am freaking out. This plant got these little bugs all over. So please, guys, please tell me what to do. Help me. I'm freaking out. I hope it's not on the other plants. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I'm serious, y'all. I'm so overwhelmed with this. Y'all need to hurry up and tell me what to do because just like Lucy is on her way out the door because she's doing worse and worse and worse. This plant is going to be number 2 Lucy because I rated this plant as like one of my best plants. And now I see these little things on it. Like this plant is just changing. I don't know. Let me see if I can show you guys. Can y'all see it? Hold up. This plant right here, it's just changing. Like, I don't know, man. So y'all help me and tell me what to do with this plant. It's getting too big. It's taking up my whole daggone corner, and I don't even know if it's worth it. So y'all help me and tell me what to do. I need y'all's help. Help, please. All right? Bye, guys.